Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm hitting up a mountain bike safari soon in Africa, heading there. So I needed to get myself some shoes, and I think we're using mountain bike cleats, but I'm not positive, so I might not hook them on just yet. But I got this FENLERN men's cycling shoes, mountain bike shoes, whatever. I got size 42, whatever that equals in US size, I'm not sure, but I usually wear about an 8.5 and stuff. So we'll see how these things fit. So let's check it out. So let's see what we got here. We got the shoe. So this is one shoe here. So it's just basic black shoe. So it seems pretty good. It's got the little screws in the bottom here for hooking on the cleats. And it does come with the mountain bike cleats. So we'll put those on too, why not? Yeah, it doesn't even come with road cleats. Oh, and then I guess the little screw thing to tighten it up. So that's it, nothing else in the box. So let's check this thing out. Bunch of paper in here. Let's try these shoes on and see how they go. Should we try them on first? Probably before I go and start putting them together, because if it doesn't fit, they got to go back. So if I usually wear between an 8.5 and a 9, you'll see me putting these on at the same time I'm putting them on together. Let's see. How do I aim this down so you guys can watch? So there, aim it there. Okay, so here we go. Here's the right shoe. And let me open up this Velcro. Ooh, that's a pretty tight fit, but it's a good fit. I mean, they're not shoes to walk around in all day, so it doesn't have to be perfect like that. And it's got the nice little clips there. Kind of weird, it doesn't line up there, but let's see. Oh, doesn't get tight. It's got a tightening issue. I have to push it. Oh, there it's going. Well, these are not good. They're not tightening. Let me just try the other one and see if it tightens. See if it's just a defect or what. Try this. There. Let's put this there. Usually, yeah, this one's tightening up. Yeah, this one, the cinching works. The other one, the cinching isn't working. Let me see, is there something not connected in there? It seems like it should work. Maybe I didn't have it put in all the way. Let's try again. Nope. Something's wrong. So these got to go back. Oh well. These are the FENLERN. Don't get these brand, I guess. But well, I don't know. Oh well, try a different one. Sorry, folks. Thumbs down for me. I'll put a link to them in the description in case you want to just see what they are or something like that. Make sure you don't get the same ones I got. But go ahead, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews.